It's been a while since I gave an update with my shop. Obviously, as you can see, I cleaned it up. I usually take off a week or so and take care of my shop and tidy things up and reorganize everything and plan out the following year of what I'm going to be tackling. And with this layout, this will work out good for what I have planned and what's going on. Starting off with this planer here, I'm going to actually make something to catch the chips, basically your anti-static hose, because you don't want to use one of these little things here, because when that's hooked up to the shop vac, if anyone knows anything about these DeWals, they blow out smoke or chips like hardcore, so mess that up. I ended up moving the wood rack down this way, so this way it gives me more room. It used to be over here, and this table used to be kind of in the center of the room, kind of like where you see that heater at. With this here, I have more open space and more storage area for everything that I need to be done. This right here, I'm actually did take a job on my so-called vacation to do this because it's a good customer of mine or a good client, and I'm trying to help them out, so I'm doing a repair job, which I also do that too because restoration is very important, even if that's more like a 1980s cabinet. Back over here, I ended up moving this jet saw over here. It used to be floating around in that area there. I don't cut really long stock for cutoffs, so all I have to do is pick it up and bring it out a little bit, and I cut off my foot that I usually it's about the max that I cut off. Anyways, this doesn't cut square. I think that the axle in there is bent because there's really not a lot of ways to tune it up besides with the clamp. So that's going to be a different day project. I was going to eventually get one of those little Milwaukee little portable vacuum cleaners, because I was tired with the shop vacs, because I got this shop vac and then I got that shop vac down there. Well, this one here will work out just fine for me, just to hook up to the saw to keep some of the dust out, because obviously it doesn't catch everything, mostly with a miter saw. And then that vacuum cleaner I usually use to just kind of vacuum off the benches and machinery and stuff like that. But as I was saying, I was going to get that hand one, but that'll take up a lot of room. I mean, it's convenient because it's battery operated, but I have a very small shop, so it would add more shit. So I think my investment will be different.